Ka super discount ni sabti atho shong kurim hado san pho percent. Shimi kani ka kabuk siar kapadan bit take away ka sabti ka way ka design. One chika wet showroom hamot pran but maulai mauro lani phone ho number kandai sao lai rio san pra nyo lai pra.
The highest in the state of Meghalaya, unfortunately, is Janti Hills. Both West and East Janti Hills are very alarming numbers. HIV/AIDS is actually not fatal, but it can be treated like cancer, like TB, like any other disease. There is a treatment protocol in position and in place. If the state of Goa has made HIV/AIDS testing compulsory before any couple marry, why shouldn't Meghalaya also have its own set of laws which are going to be good for the community at large?
Nakajingjur palar kajing sapriang uknyang bayabit nakasongha songman na HIV kabialam kajing pang AIDS. Kasorkar Meghalaya kalapan kre banuan rano nakasenjam begitu kibatmu banyakan tiu kurim kinhab banyale shwaya kates. Yakani karukam la leru hakajala Goa hakabaki shijur kinhab banteswa yaladi shwaban kantiu kurim. Kementri ketenat kokoi kekia kajala kokong amprin lingdo kelong baka sorkar kelapan shong jingmut bha halor kani ban pentrikam daga policy keban long shibenta bantelakam ya kani ke jingpang. Habakren chikla pathai khubor kokong amprin kelong ba nudo balawan rai ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max Hausnam Arjan Rio keladan ke jing belong ya ke jing penchai pat ba ke bajur bha hakaleng ke jaka hakajalla hado menta ke kenti bad hadian arpus nam menta keladan kami ke sorkar bakan wan ra sakawai ke lenti bantes no shwai ke shijur shwa bakin ni kenti ukurim. Watla kaladon ka an ka baperkheng ban chutes na phang ya baro nre ka kong amprin gelong ba nada ha Goa ka laban thau ya ka an begitu ka bathmu ban ya tho kin hab bantes HIV shwa kam don down dukum me bandum laban le ha Meghalaya ru na ka benta ka jingko jingkhya jong ki pai ba kalong baka sorkar kadang pun kre ya kani ban ya slok bat ki start science ki doctor bat ki tanat sorkar pa pher kalong bakat kum ka jingkhen ukhnang HIV bat ka jingpang AIDS ka saphriang jor bha na ka jingya thya lok pathar khamtam hapadeng ki khinna hapadeng khatsan hado arpusan snam kumbalong menta ka jingle te se ke HIV ha Meghalaya kampan long na phang henrei la le tang habal kha khun aisnam bat sumari ki jingpang kum ka tibi ka mentri ka lai thoba ka sorkar ka dang ye kren lada ka don ka lat ban le tes na phang bat ya baro kumbale yo COVID-19.
The meeting obviously is related and linked directly to the increasing numbers of HIV/AIDS in the district. We will be going from one district to another. We've just completed the East Khasi Hills meeting today, and we will likely be having the West Garo Hills meeting in the leadership of Honorable Speaker himself. I had spoken to him. He was in agreement. Today's meeting came up with a very strong resolution. This resolution hovers around the importance of having a mission mode redressal by the state government itself to combat these alarming increases in the HIV/AIDS numbers in the state of Meghalaya. We will not share with the media the hotspots because we believe that in a bid to ensure that stigmatization does not occur, we will not isolate individual constituencies and their numbers because that directly points to indicators which may reach to stigmatization. But let me tell you, for East Khasi Hills, the numbers alone are very big. We have also problems with Janti Hills, but we will deal with the Janti Hills numbers when we reach that stage with the MLAs, the DCs of Janti Hills. But in Khasi Hills alone, these numbers have doubled to a huge number of 3,432, which is double and doubling every year. We have to address this problem. Unfortunately, out of these 3,432 already tested HIV/AIDS positive citizens, only 1,581 are coming forward for treatment. We've had a loss of follow-up of 681 out of this 3,432 numbers. Now, this is not a good trend because it is indicative of a very serious pandemic that can envelop our communities across the state. You will not believe it that as of the last few years, I don't have the exact figure, but the figure of 159 deaths due to loss of ART treatment is huge in the district. We have to make sure that everyone, at least who has been tested, comes into the system for necessary treatments. HIV/AIDS is actually not fatal, but it can be treated like cancer, like TB, like any other disease. There is a treatment protocol in position and in place. Now we just have to tell people that they have to come forward to test themselves. What is happening is that we are afraid that despite the fact that these numbers are huge, there could be more people in the communities around us who are not coming forward. So in the state of Meghalaya, as of today, it has been identified that prevalence of HIV/AIDS or spread of HIV/AIDS is predominantly due to sexual interactions. So we are different from certain stage where they have reached to that stage where injecting drug users and sharing of needles is a big component. In our state, we have not even been able to identify injecting drug users and prevalence of HIV/AIDS because we are not able to test citizens correctly. So this is what has happened in this meeting. We'll be going to Garo Hills, we'll be going to Jayanti Hills. We've gone to Jayanti Hills in the past. We have some resolutions, but we will now sit in the department and we will immediately take the assistance of our bureaucrats and senior doctors at the DHS level and others, including Max, to guide us on what and how is the way forward. Since the beginning of Max and its functioning in the state, which is approximately sometime in 2006. But these numbers have doubled in the recent years. Since 2006, it was a staggering number, but of late, the numbers have increased. So the comparative statements of these numbers will be made available to you at a later stage. But the point here is that the trend right now in the last 5 years is what is worrisome. So we will compare last 5 years with 2006 and then you will see the difference. But those data we will share with you. Maybe later I will ask the officers to kindly make it available to me and I will share those numbers with you. So the Northeast scenario obviously is alarming in the entire state. In the entire country we have the trends. So you have Mizoram with the highest, followed by Nagaland, followed by Manipur, and then Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, and then Meghalaya. So in the Northeast, the situation is bad. Like we said, different states have different indicators of spread. Certain states is because of ID users. Certain states is because of sexual transmissions, homosexual transmissions, and other important indicators. We are number 6. So the district-wise, we will not have today because we have today spoken only to East Khasi Hills. But in East Khasi Hills, the numbers are very high. The highest in the state of Meghalaya, unfortunately, is Jayanti Hills. Both West and East Jayanti Hills are very alarming numbers, but Khasi Hills is also following in its trend. So you see, since 2006, MAC started functioning. Awareness for the disease is, I think, no longer an issue. Because pretty much everybody in the community is aware of AIDS. They don't call it HIV/AIDS, they call it AIDS. So now we have to move as a state into the next stage. 2006 to 2025 is a long time spent on creation of awareness. Now we need to improve our testing, our screening. There are certain laws that are in operation that don't allow us to freely work on the testing and the screening. But if the state of Goa has made HIV/AIDS testing compulsory before any couple marries, why shouldn't Meghalaya also have its own set of laws which are going to be good for the community at large? So we will now be looking at that, because this is the first time that a group of MLAs have come forward to tell us that you have to do it. We have no way out. So we are now therefore at that stage where we will engage with legal experts, we will engage with the department, and we will figure this out. So you see, I cannot say for sure what or how a legislation of that nature will pan out. But Meghalaya is now mentally prepared and ready to take the monster by its neck. And we are okay with it. At one point, we never had this interaction. We never had this participation. Looks like 2006 to 25, enough information has gone out. Now we have to start taking strong action.